All right, in this third section, we're now going to test if the communication between your PC and the STM really works. And the first thing that you want to do is simply switch on the STM. Now, I assume the USB cable is already plugged in. I'll do the USB cable unplug and plug in again, just so you can hear the sound that you should get. There we go, And now switch on the STM. Well, I want to show you the blink pattern because there are some great diagnostics here. Here, I'm switching the STM on. It has two positions, the switch on and charge, but I'm going to go to on. And there's an LED here. And we should soon see it blink after it's booted up. See that? Now it's blinking. One blink per second. Blink, blink, blink. That's what you're looking for. That means the STM is doing what it's supposed to do. How about if, by mistake, I simply had put it to the charge position, my switch here, and you would see a different blink pattern. Let me wait until that's happening. There we go. 1 second on, 1 second off. Means it's charging the battery, and it actually would not be talking to the ARC control application in this mode. By the way, once it's charging done, it will be 1 second on and 3 seconds off. That's how you know that charging is done. So again, remember, switch to the on position and watch your LED. Make sure you get the right thing. If you're not getting the one blink per second, then something is amiss here. Here we go. All right, with the PC connection established between STM3 and PC via the USB and the station on, we should be in good shape. So I'm now going to go to acoustic release, software, hit yes. It already says Surface Station link established right away. Well, I want to show you a little bit more what else can happen. Now it flipped here to no station selected. I'm going to switch my STM off again and try it again. All right, I don't think I've gone over this here yet. Surface Station COM port, you need to select that as well. It's already on COM2, remember from the last segment, that's what I set it up for. Also see, we can only go up to COM8, so I actually did a mistake last time when I told you that you wouldn't have to reassign it. You have to be between COM1 and COM8. Meanwhile, here, as I'm trying to talk to it, my STM is still off. I'm getting a timeout here. So I'm going to switch the STM on again. So now I just switched it on. It's still booting up. Let me see. Okay, now I'm about to get the short blinking now. Here it still said it timed out this time, but right away after I dismiss it again, Surface Station link established. So that's what you're looking for, and then no station selected. That just means there is no ARC that is actually being talked to right now. So that's all looking good. Let me do a deploy station here as if I had an ARC. I'm going to give it its serial number. Let's say it would be 1234. I could enter a comment as well, and then hit OK. And then you get this pop-up window here, communication test in progress. Your STM is now trying to talk to the ARC. I don't have an ARC here right now, so that's not going to work. I'm going to hit abort deployment. If it had succeeded, the serial number 1234 would show up here. If I had a GPS connected, the latitude and longitude would show up here. I should also show you one more thing. Talking GPS, here you find GPS COM port. Right now I'm saying no GPS, so you can operate your ARC without any GPS. But if you do have a GPS, either connected to the second port on the STM3, which is marked GPS, or directly to your PC, you would select that, whichever COM port it's on, and the GPS will have to have the NMEA 0183 data output. You probably have to ask some expert on that. Yeah, that's essentially it. So we have success here operating our ARC. I will give you one more segment here on how to do some diagnostics.